There's no better feeling than finally getting the keys to your dream ride, all shiny and new, unblemished, clean, perfect inside and out. But over time and some use, the shine dulls, the paint fades, interiors get stained and dirty. So how does one protect and preserve that brand new shine? How does one restore the dream ride back to showroom quality? Many auto care shops have cropped up over the years to cater to this need, offering car care cleansing and detailing products and services. But cleaning, detailing, protecting dream rides ultimately depend on the quality of the car care products used, all properly applied. One brand that has gained world renown for innovation and excellence in car care products is Sonax, and among the first to bring the Made in Germany product is LG2 Auto Station.
So we're here in LG2 E. Rodriguez, and today we will be showing you how we do it in Sonax for the premium car detailing. Our company brought Sonax in the Philippines in 2012, and since then we've been around. We have been very active in the car detailing and car wash industry, and we have offered a lot of our products to improve the car protection and car hygiene. Sonax is basically a chemical brand that's based in Germany. It originated in Germany during the 1950s. Since then, they specialize in all things car detailing chemicals, car detailing products, from the polishes, the waxes. So all of Sonax's products are made in Germany. R&D, everything are done in-house in the Sonax manufacturing facility and Sonax lab and offices. You can rest assured that all our products are of good quality and high performing. So the products and the techniques that we apply in a car will really vary depending on the condition of the paint when the car comes in. So Sonax offers a wide range of products that will cater to different conditions of paint and interior conditions of the car. So to get more information, you can easily visit our social media pages, our Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. They are all the same name, @SonaxPHOfficial.
That's it for our feature of Sonax products here at LG2. To know more about our services, please visit any LG2 branch.